Hi everyone, welcome to the accounts class. Myself, I am Shiva from Gitanjali Junior College. Today we are going to cover two concepts. One is accounting process, the other is accounting cycle. Now, starting with the accounting process. In this entire world, everything has a process. If you take a small concept or a big concept, everything has a process. To prepare a tea, there is a process. Add some milk, then add some sugar, add some tea powder. That's a process to prepare a tea. Then, what's the process to prepare the accounts? That process of accounts, now we are going to see accounting process. Why we need to follow this accounting process is only one concept. The ultimate concept is to provide the useful information to the users. The ultimate agenda of preparing the accounting process is to provide the useful information to the users. Yes. Why we prepare accounts? To provide the information to the users. Now here comes the word called users. Who are the users? Owner. Owner is one of the user for accounts. Government is one of the user for accounts. Income tax department is one of the user of accounts. Now GST department is one of the users of the accounts, and shareholders who are trying to invest money in our company, they also need to know the financial position of the company, so they are also the users. Okay, so accounting process is providing the useful information to the users. So accounting process is here. When an accounting process starts is, condition is when the financial transactions start. That is when the monetary transactions come into existence. There we start with the accounting process. The first step in the accounting process is identifying. Okay. Now you need to identify whether the particular transaction belongs to the business or not. Now comes the question, sir, how we can identify? Yes, we can identify by seeing the vouchers, cash memos, invoices, counter files. We call in simple language we call as bills. By all these, we identify the monetary transaction, whether that belongs to the business or not. That particular transaction is belonging to our business or not. That is the process of identification. Now the second step is recording. Once you have identified that transaction, the monetary transaction, that yes, that belongs to business, then there is a need that you need to systematically record them in an order. So systematically you should record. We have two options, that is journal or subsidiary books. Journal or subsidiary books. In the journal or in the subsidiary books, we will record them in the systematic order. Now simply I'll give you another illustration here. Now there are number of transactions happening in business. Both सारे transactions है. Okay, we don't have one transaction happening in business. We purchase, we sell, we travel, we give for advertisement. Now we pay for electricity. We have so many kind of transactions. Now the first step is we need to identify. Yes, we have identified. And now we are recording this all these transactions जो भी है, purchase है, sale है, electricity bill payment, salary payment, whatever you have done in the business. Okay, you have given advance for the raw material, all these transactions are identified and now they need to be recorded in a systematic order in a books called journal. As I told you, a journal or subsidiary books. Journal or subsidiary books. Next, the third step is classification. After recording all the identified business transactions in a systematic order in one place, we need to classify them. Classification means segregating a similar kind at one place. देखिए इधर देखिए, you can see here purchase we have recorded, sales we have recorded, paid for salaries we have recorded, electricity bill paid recorded, telephone bill paid recorded. We have recorded all the transactions at one place. Now classify them. Total purchases, okay, at one place, because business won't purchase one time. Daily we purchase, weekly we purchase, we keep on purchasing, we keep on making sale. And in a day we make a single sale? No, we make number of sales. So sales at one place, okay, and make a total of that. Now, if you have paid rent, now you say, sir, rent we pay only once in a month, but when we are preparing accounts for a financial year, we pay rent for 12 times because monthly we pay once. So all the 12 months rent at one place. Okay. Now we are paying salaries. Now all the salaries you paid for ground level staff, working staff, managing staff. So all the salaries at one place. Okay, you got the idea, students. First, all the information gathered at one place. Now gathered information is being separated, all similar at one place. Purchase, and it means एक type का जो भी purchases है पूरा एक जगह, okay, one type at one place, similar kind at one place. Okay, now we are preparing so different accounts and we will have the total of these, because what is the total purchase? Just see that we will get the total of purchase. Now see the sales book, sorry, sales ledger. We call this as ledger. We need to prepare ledger. So classification is done in ledger. Okay, classification is done in ledger. Same type of items at one place, similar kind of items at one place. Okay, now all they are segregated. Now these are shattered here at matlab different places. The next accounting process is summarizing. Okay, what happens in the step called summarizing? We extract the totals of the accounts. Like suppose total of purchases. What is the total purchases? Total of sales, total of rent paid, total of salaries paid. Like this, all different kind of accounts totals are gathered in a place called trial balance. What is that? Trial balance. So summarizing is trial balance. So we need to prepare the trial balance. Next step of accounting process is reporting. Now the available information in the trial balance, all the accounts balances are available there. With these balances, now we will be preparing here trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Simply, you can call it as financial statements are prepared in reporting. Reporting is a step where the classified information which is available in the trial balance, we extract the balances from there and we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. By this, we will be ascertaining the financial position of the business. So, in the balance sheet, we will know what are our assets, what are our liabilities, and in the profit and loss account, we will know how much profit we have made or how much loss we have made. Profit and loss account. Then after that, analysis. The next step is analysis. Now, after preparing the financial statements, now you will see the profit and loss account, trading account and balance sheet and identify the strength and the weakness of the business. Where we are strong, whether we are strong at sales or not, are we making perfect sales or not. If we are not making perfect sales, you will make an analysis there, and in the next step called interpretation, you will give the users, whatever the users they are, you will give the useful information to them, where what you have analyzed, whatever you have analyzed, that where you are strong, where you are weak, and how the sales are, or how the purchases are the accounting methods what you are following, that those are correct or not, or you need to make any changes or not. So you will make an analysis and prepare an interpretation and give it to the user. Now this will help the user to take the decisions by time to time. Matlab owner, take it as owner. Owner will now, following this accounting process, he will know his strength, he will know his weaknesses, and he will correct himself where he was correct and where he need to make the changes. Okay, so this is the accounting process. Once again, first we will identify all the transactions. If that is a business transactions, we will record them it in one place. Okay, then after that we will separate them similar kind, one type of items at one place, and make the total of that and balance that accounts. After that we will collect the information, yes or no. After that we are collecting the information in trial balance. Okay, trial balance. From this trial balance we are preparing financial statements, that is trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So what is available in balance sheet? Balance sheet, we will be having the what are our assets, what are our liabilities. Assets, what we own, liabilities, what we owe. हम जो आगे वाले को लायबल है वो लाइबिलिटीज होते हैं, हमारा जो है, हमारा खुद का जो है वो हमारा एसेट होता है. ओके, एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटीज आर सीन इन बैलेंस शीट. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट विल गिव यू whether you have done profit from the entire business transactions. You have done ये साल भर का जो बिजनेस आप करें वो बिजनेस में आप प्रॉफिट बनाए या लॉस बनाए, वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में मिलेगा. एंड आउट ऑफ दिस ओनली दिस ए स्मॉल कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज अकाउंटिंग साइकिल. what we are preparing, actually what we prepare is, first one is journal. Yes, I told you journal. Journal is the first step of accounting cycle. Then after that we will be preparing the ledger. I told you recording, then classifying. After that, we will prepare trial balance. Yes, after ledger, we are preparing trial balance. And after trial balance, we are preparing trading profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay, accounting cycle, just 4 accounts information is given here. So these can be asked for 2 marks and this can be asked for 5 marks. So accounting process is really important. Okay, identify whether it is a business transaction or not, record it in a systematic order, then classify each type, similar type at one place, take the balances of that, make a trial balance. With that trial balance information, prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. After balance sheet, after making the profit and loss account, you need to make the analysis whether where you are strong, where you are weak, where you have done correct, where you have not done correct. So you need to make an analysis, and after making that analysis, prepare one interpretation, give it to the user. User कौन हो सकता है? Owner, management, दे दो उनको, stating that sir, we need to make these changes. That then the user will take the useful information and implement the changes time to time. Okay, that is accounting process. Okay, identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, analysis, interpretation. Very easy. Okay, so this is one of the basic concepts. So follow with this. Thank you for watching the video, and do share this video with your friends and relatives who are in intermediate first year, because this is the starting concepts of accounting.